Welcome back, YouTubers. Today we have a short video explaining for you how to drop off the tank on 2021 Chevrolet Malibu. Okay, so there you go. First, you gotta check up the car. You know, put to safety front jack, and then all what you need to do over here, you know, take off or lose the clamp on the big hose going from the filling neck. Then you need to unlock that vacuum pipe connected to the canister, okay, which is this. All right, so you're gonna push those tabs backward from here and here and try to also put something, screwdriver or picky tools. That's what I used. Also another one over here, also both of them you're gonna push them out so you can do from here. That's small pipe. There is one more over here. Alright, also you push those two tab, you lift them up a little bit and push them up out. You do that. This is coming from the vapor canister vapor, because it's hanged up on next of the fuel tank, so it's gonna drop all together. Here's one more here, blue. Be careful, some fuel is gonna come out from that also. And this guy, you put the jack underneath the tank, and then you're gonna take off those clamps. They are 4-bolt 13mm, one from here to the other end here on top. There is one more here also, which is this that is coming up from here all the way to the back up. Once you get him off, put center jack on the center of the tank, and then you drop it off. Like this. Take a look here, what's holding it. It's sitting on the exhaust pipe. I don't know if I have to move the exhaust pipe or I can slide it. Let's see. I didn't tell you what's the problem. Car cranking, no start. I replaced the driver fuel pump module, and it's still doing the same thing. So I decided to change the fuel pump. It's inside that tank, and there is no access from the inside the vehicle under the seat. So the only way you need to drop off the tank in order to replace that fuel pump. The fuel pump over there. And now I'm dropping off the tank. Sitting on top of the exhaust. Let me see if there is anything. Holding it like any harness plug or something. Nothing. No. It's a clear. This main harness has a room. That's the main harness. It has enough length. So it should be okay if I drop it off. Okay, open that. So, even more free. What's that? Open this. Plug the other one here. They are rotted. It's not easy to pick them up. It's really hard to get it off. I need to hand I'm recording for you, so that I can drop off more this. The tank is completely free. Go. Let's go deep down. Okay, I don't need to check anymore. Try to take off this again. This way. So you only need to just slide out that right tab, and then you push on this. Same thing over here. Yeah. Trying to take off all the harness so I can take out the tank outside. from it. Should I take off that? Let me use the two hand here, please. Okay. Now, this big one, you release that red tab, then you press on this one here, and then pull out. This one, the same thing. Press on this. So, the harnesses are being out, all of them. That's the only tools I used. This and that. $13mm socket. Where's the peak? Where's the tank out? So, you know, the rest is easy. You lose this, and then you knock it off here with screwdriver or some kind of chisel, or if you have tools you can turn it counterclockwise. Then you take off the fuel pump. The fuel pump, as I told you, that's the one I used. It's a Delphi. That's the part number of it. It's pretty good, looks nice. Alright, let me lose those, put the pump in, and basically all the other things easy. Just do it backward if you want to put it back. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like. Thank you.